Because this is on everyone's desk at the moment, that we need to be better producing parts in a greener way. And we still have to use oil, we still have to use electricity, so we need to get the best out of that by trying to add some equipment that can do life more green in the machining business.
This is a really exciting story because Lau here has changed or influenced, shall we say, some of the Danish working regulations. But before we get to that, Lau, what's your role with 39?
We are the Danish distributor of 39.
And what is it behind the product that really kind of excites you?
That's because it's a completely other technology against what we have seen in the market so far. With the separation technology where we can reuse the water, it's a very important thing. To save money and you know, when you want to make a green transaction, you also need to make it payable. So that's one of the things I see with 39 as something very, very special compared to other systems.
And you just said green transaction there. Why is that so important?
Because this is on everyone's desk at the moment, that we need to be better producing parts in a greener way. And we still have to use oil, we still have to use electricity, so we need to get the best out of that by trying to add some equipment that can do life more green in the machining business.
Totally agree with you. And what's the story here? What's the history where you actually had influence over the working regulations?
The thing was, until more or less 2 years ago, it was only allowed to bring all the what I call grey air from the machine out of the workshop. It was not allowed. Outside. It was not allowed to clean it inside and then keep it inside the building. But this was changed a couple of years ago, and we were a part of that by sending a letter and making a lot of letters to the Danish regulations. And then at the end of the day, it ended up that it was also allowed in Denmark to do that. I think more or less all over the world it was allowed, but not by us.
And how does that make you feel, having made such a big impact?
I think it's of course we are proud of that. Of course we are. But it's also very important because it brings a lot of new opportunities where we can save some money and make machining even better in Denmark. And this is what we are working with every day.